Es un poquito cochina, tío. Cochina. Vamos a decir que es cochina. ¿Por qué? Porque sí, es cochina. Porque pasa de cositas que te gustosas, a de repente desaparece la gustosidad y entra paso a las cochinadas. Cochinadas como qué, como una releta un poquito cerda, pero bueno, para gente como chulita como tú va a ir bien. Pincitas, que no están mal. Después, de aquí de todo esto vamos a parar así una cosita en el techo, tío. Un poquito cerda, con una pinza invertida. Y que en días como hoy, en el que el tacto ha desaparecido, tío, se hace más difícil si es mierda, tío. Si no puede pasar, aun con calor.
4 o 5 dándole seguidos.
Si no te atas, te matas. Mejor atarse, que hay que seguir tachando rutas.
Mañana o pasado,
o intentándolo. Es lo importante.
Every day when one's body and mind are at peace, one should meditate upon being nipped apart by arrows, rifles, spears, and swords, being carried away by surging waves, being thrown into the midst of a great fire, being struck by lightning, being shaken to death by a great earthquake, falling from 1,000-foot cliffs, dying of disease, committing seppuku at the death of one's master. And every day, without fail, one should consider himself as dead.
Nigga, I don't wanna talk. I own one ghost gun briefcase in its equilibrium. It's the killer on your block. Melodic flux, war flock of prophetic deaded bloods, chop it up, and the birds of a feather fly together, interlace, moving more murder messages to me in Leatherface. I'm your retainer, your perfect stranger, 36 chamber, Wu-Tang banger. I hit the dust and bust a straight no-brainer, heavyweight gainer and a long-blown ranger. Welcome to the world I rock, doing what in the cut, while niggas know not. Grand theft, awaited with bated breath. Here we can sense fear just as clear as death. In the twinkling of an eye, in the ways of the samurai. It's do or die for the devil's pie now. While fact brought down, received from on high. So beautiful it make you wanna cry, cry, cry. Power equality, ghost dog. From Christ Sparrow, killer bees, West Coast dog.
Yo, son, will you kill for show. Yo, son, will you kill for show. Yo, dog, will you kill for show. Yo, son, will you kill for show. Yo, black, will you kill for show. Yo, D, will you kill for show. Yo, meat, will you kill for show. Yo, Christ, will you kill for show.
Designed to cause disaster, the mic blaster caused atoms to transfer. With immediate reports for you bastards, I make my stagger with this North Star golden dagger. I sell Floyd and Master, represented in this chapter. For you phony rhyme actors, I crack ya for trying to distract us. In the West, transporting flows of energy in your chest. Over deep bass tones in the flesh. Off bones I rock clones. Prepare to send the devil home cause he divided the whole globe. Transform souls, told lies, rewrote scrolls. Now it's on, it's been war. 360 degrees to form the negative swarm. Born mentally and physically from the essence. Where North Star be flexing, questing, addressing. All minds that's hexting, the place to be. North Star trilogy, West Coast, Killer B. Killer B, Killer B, Killer B, Killer B.
Killer who?
Killer B.
Yo, son, will you kill for show. Yo, Doc, will you kill for show. Yo, Monk, will you kill for show. Yo, Black, will you kill for show. Yo, Dog, will you kill for show.
Patina tarde, extensión. Racata. Vale, Beto, pilla. Y aquí acabará lo que viene siendo la 27 primaveras, también conocida como 27 Spring Summer. Ay, es perra, tío, es hija de puta, tiene lactato. Tiene lactato, se me pone la lactosis, que dices, padezco de lactosis súbita, tío. El codo mirando a Pamplona, para allá, para el norte.